Okay.
Hi guys, so I got another package. This time it's from Build-A-Bear, and I already know what it is, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Gotta be very careful. Gotta free the Pokemon from his box. And it's Munchlax. Oh, he's a chunky little thing. Ooh, he's very soft. Didn't think he was gonna be soft like this. And I got the typical paperwork along with his birth certificate, but I was too lazy to fill it out, so I will fill it out later. And then they sent me a little ad, and oh my gosh, look how cute! I'm gonna have to decide if he's gonna wear his bib or he's gonna wear his hoodie. But heck, I guess. Well, anyway, it comes with a bib. It has all the different Pokemon fruits on it, and then it's got a little berry wristy. That's cute. And then he's got his little hoodie. So I will put both of them on so you can see how they look. Oh, there's a little tag. So, let me see. Gotta put it over your big head. And it looks like his sound is in his hand here. God, he's so chunk. And looks like, oops. Guess that's his hoodie. Oh, it doesn't look like a hoodie. It looks like he's wearing a pair of underwear on his head with sleeves. So there's his little outfit. And I'll put the bib on so you can see. I'm just going to put them on my lap because it's easier to get it off that way. If Pokemon Go ever has a community day for Munchlax, he would be perfect to take along with you while you're out Pokemon Go hunting. So his little bibby goes around like this. Here you go. And then you could just take his little fruits. And wait. There. Now it looks like he's holding it. And that's how he looks with his little fruit and bib. Doesn't say what fruit this is. I can't think of it on the top of my head because my brain's just been fried. But anyway, that's what he looks like. And then here's his sound. He's so cute. I kind of have to keep playing with the sound because it keeps kind of rolling around in the hand. But I'll probably take this sticky off. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I think Build-A-Bear did a pretty good job on him. So, I have no complaints. And like I said, he's very well detailed. And the material that they made with him, he's like super soft. Again, the only complaints some people might have are the freaking toes. But other than that, the embroidery is really nice. And I swear, every time I turn around, they always, pass my expectations. And it just so happens we're going to be getting another one next month. I'm sure you already know who it is, but I can't say when they're coming out, but I know the date. So all I can say is keep your eyes out next month, around the beginning-ish of the month, on a Thursday, if you get what I mean. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. See you next time.